Hey guys, just wanted to come on real quick. I know that we have a new commission tracking form. I'm just going to do a little quick tutorial to show you guys where to find it and how to use it. So you're still going to go into your back office, still go to your dashboard, and then up here where you normally go to commissions, you're going to go down here to where it says new commissions hub beta. And the very first time you get in, it may take a little bit for it to come up. But this is what the new hub looks like. And as you can see, I've already gone ahead and I've put in some new commissions in there. But let me just go ahead and show you guys. I'm just going to go do kind of a dummy one. So we're going to go right here where it says new commission tracking form. And then you're going to name this something. So for instance, let's say that you're doing something, you're doing like a family cruise and there's going to be multiple parts, right? So you can name this like Smith Family Cruise, right? Or Smith Family Summer 2025 trip, right? Name it whatever you want to. It's just for your filing. And then you're going to go ahead and click create. And then you guys are going to go ahead, you guys will go ahead and put anything to do with the trip in here. So you're going to put like the cruise in here has a reservation number. If there's any Viators that you use, if you do any flights, if you do any of those sorts of things, they're all going to be in kind of in like one file folder. And then you're going to do one for each. So first we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and set up the travelers. So let's just say John Smith, he's the lead. Oh, he's the lead. And then email is johnsmith@gmail.com. Phone number is 909-568-7895. Create. So now that you have that traveler information in there, right? This is if you only have one cabin, right? If you had multiple cabins, then you would do another new traveler, which would be the lead for another cabin or another hotel room. So now we're going to come in here and we're going to put in a new component. So let's say you're going to do that cruise. Let's say that's the first thing that you're going to do. So you did your booking today, right? We want to make sure that we're getting in the habit of doing our commission tracking forms as soon as we book them within that first 30 days. Right here, it gives you that disclaimer. So let's say you did Royal Caribbean. It's going to go ahead and pop up Royal Caribbean. Let's say the cruise is in July, right? The end date, let's just say it's a 7 day. The cruise company, again, is going to be, we did Royal Caribbean. You guys, it says if different from the supplier, but for me, I just went ahead and I did it anyways, just to get in the habit. Now let's say that the ship is Ovation of the Seas. Then you're going to click on this itinerary details. It's going to auto-populate all of that information for you all in one spot. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to put in the sales. Then you're going to go ahead and put in the commission, then your booking reference number. Let's see if it will let me do this. And then the rest of them are going to be, they're not mandatory, but if you wanted to give kind of a code, so then you're going to go ahead and add the travel participants. And you guys could put any notes. These are going to just be notes just for you. Agent notes. You guys leave this credit card authorization. You guys can leave that blank and then go ahead and click create. Once this goes through, you'll see here that it has, you have John Smith, you have this in here, but now let's say you want to go ahead, you want to add air, you want to add hotel, you want to add insurance, whatever else, you guys can add that in there. Or if all you have booked for this instance is the cruise, then you go ahead and click submit, right? So now you guys have that in there. So let's say now you want to add something in there, you could go ahead and click the submitted button, and then you can come in here and you could add a new component. So now maybe you've gone ahead and you've booked that hotel or you booked those flights, then you can come in here. You're going to go ahead and click the edit button. And then you're going to go ahead and add in that new component. And then same thing, go ahead and submit. Hope that helps.